The solution to this example, the way we're going to get around this, if we do a normal COUNTIFS, this, for example, looks here, looks everywhere, tells us it appears 3 times. The only way to get it to tell us that that's the first time is that each time we look, so when we look here, we must only compare it to the ones above. That way this will be the first time, but the next time it sees this number, it will show us the second time. So let's go here. I'm going to use the COUNTIFS. The criteria stays the same. I'm going to say look for that bank account number. But in this case now, the criteria range, I'm going to click on the first cell. If I put a semicolon in there, you'll see it tells me from B7 to B7. So at the moment it's only looking there. But here the dollar signs are very important. So I'm going to go, and I'm not going to put dollar signs everywhere like we normally do. I'm only going to put them on the first B7. So what we're saying is when you're in this cell, count how many times you see that just over here. When I copy it down, you'll see as you go lower and lower, notice that this one's now saying how many times do I see that in that area there. So as you go further down, you'll discover, for example here, there are 2 of these, but this is the first time we've seen it. And as we scroll down, you'll see here's the second time we see something. So this is telling us that this person has appeared 3 times, but this is the second instance because this number, when you look, you'll discover it's appeared over here. So this allows you to create almost an index of which instance are you looking at of any particular duplicates.